Good morning, YouTube. Thank you for tuning in once again. Right now we are headed to the shop. We got comedian Ralph Barbosa in town. He will be stopping by the shop today for a new setup. Once he gets there, we'll pick back up.
Bien, bien, ¿y tú? Hello.
Bien.
Good, how are you?
Hello.
I'm good, how are you?
¿Solamente quiere los llantas o qué?
¿Dónde?
¿Solamente quiere los llantas o qué? He just wants the tires?
Míralo, ahí está.
Oh, bueno. This one are great. This one are
Ralph, nice to meet you. So we can help me out. I want to show you something.
Yeah. Bueno, boss. Okay.
Hello.
Kind of scrape the curb a bit.
We can patch that.
Patch that up.
Chile aire, por favor, señor, le estoy diciendo chile aire. ¿Tiene aire? ¿No tiene llanta? ¿Cómo chingas que no? Si lo acabo de parquearme aquí. No, pues no te tiras, hágase para que mire. Échale un plugue.
We can patch that.
So I'm a liberal, you know.
Yeah, I got you. That's what happens when you go to Freddy's, you have too much fun. So, what's the plan?
I want to lift it.
So, I know we originally talked about, if you look, we got a 275/40 in the front. I got a tire here, the smallest we can find is a 275/45/20. It's a little bit tighter. We can probably make it work, and we can make it work, most likely.
Yeah?
We can try the front tires on, we can test it one, see where it's at, and then we can go from there. Yeah, you can check it out, see what you think. This is the only one I can find. It's not super aggressive. I mean, if you want to do the smallest, because a lot of people, other tires are a lot taller. We're going to go taller, but then you're going to have to do a lift kit on it.
Yeah.
But this one, we can probably get away with it without even doing any kind of lift or anything. I mean, we can test fit it right now, test it one. You want to do that? All right, put it right here. We can probably get away. You might trim in your bumper or anything.
Right here. I mean, it's other fucked up right now. Right now, right?
I mean,
Trying to make it look nice.
we might have to trim. There's a bolt that we might have to trim. It's common. Like when you do 24s on those cars, you gotta trim it. I can show you right now.
Honestly, bro, let's just lift it. Fuck it. I want to take the bitch off road.
You wanna lift it?
Yeah.
Like a 3-inch or what?
Yeah. The 3-inch would look crazy high though or not?
So you'll be. Check it out. No, 3-inch is usually. Alright, when it's sitting right here, the 3-inch is probably like right here. And then you put a bigger tire. Yeah. And then you put a bigger tire, but when we put a bigger tire, then we might have to trim the bumper, we might have to trim a little bit right here. So basically, like if you want to do a mud tire, we could make it work. All we have to do is trim this bolt right here. There's that upper controller. Just shave it down, make it work, and you'll be fine. Now, if you want to go bigger tire, we can. And we could do a lift kit, spindles, do it the right way, upper controller, spindles, everything. But then we're gonna have to trim the bumpers because now we're going wider. So we're going taller, and of course we're gonna get taller. But you gotta remember this part.
Let's do that then.
Wanna do that? Because a lift kit, we can make it happen. We can make anything happen. It's just if you want to wait, if you want to go taller, if you want to trim. It's like two different categories, like a whole different level, you know?
Yeah. Nah, we can put the tire on there. What you gotta do to make it good.
You wanna, so you wanna go ahead and pull it out the trailer? We'll pull it out the trailer and then I guess go from there. We'll see if it's gonna rub or not. Pull it back a little bit. Once you take off in the real view, you're going for, right? You're going for like the Baja look. I've seen them, a lot of people doing them on like the Hellcats and stuff. You've seen those, but if you look at like some of the Hellcats, you look at anybody, the bigger time they go, they start chopping the fender, they start chopping these, they start chopping these. I mean, it looks cool, but I don't know how extent you want to go. And now let's just see how these look, and then if we have to do a little trimming, we'll do a little trimming. If you're okay with it, yeah, make it work. I mean, we got on the wheel. I mean, I can have it repaired, but that's gonna take like 2 days. But for now, we can just put the tires on, and then whenever you're ready for it, we could do the wheel repair later.
Yeah, I'm not too worried about repairing the wheel.
It might happen again.
Yeah, this bitch is gonna take some damage.
Got you.
We're gonna take off so we can take the car off of the trailer.
Oh, okay. Yes, Freddie and Ralph called us yesterday. They're like, hey, we had too much fun last night. doing too many burnouts. Not too late. They're like, hey, we want to go ahead and do some off-road tires on the Challenger. And I'm like, all right, well, let's make it happen. I mean, we're about to test fit one. Right now it's running a 275 40/20. We're going to do a 275 45/20. Might have a little clearance issues, but if it does, we're going to go ahead and take care of that. To go a little bit higher, then we're going to end up doing a 3-inch lift and bigger wheels and tires. I guess y'all stay tuned and we'll go from there.
So tiene como spacers para afuera, ¿da?
Yo creo que sí. Y le tiene que cortar todo más enfrente.
Que le pregunte a Greg, a ver si sabe.
Sí, ¿verdad que se puede hacer, Greg?
Yeah. But for that, you're going to need a lift it. Yeah, a lot of grinding this. See that? You see that one, Benny?
¿Tiene el lift kit aquí?
No, that one has to be ordered.
I got a hog.
That's what I'm saying. We got it.
See?
Ralph, tell me a little bit about your idea here. How'd you come up with this idea?
I needed new tires, and then I was watching that movie Batman, and he had that big one, and I was like, I want bigger tires.
That's how it happened, huh? Just like that.
We might be able to get away with it. Yeah, we should be alright. I mean, it's not gonna bolt just right on. We're probably gonna have to trim the bolt a little bit, probably trim a little bit on the bumper, maybe possibly in the inner fender, but we can make it work. We'll make it work. We got sawzalls, we got grinders.
Elite wheels and tires. Greg, talk to Greg.
Yes, sir.
Elite wheels and tires.
Yeah, we gotta do call us. Sometimes our phones are real busy. If we don't answer, we'll get back to you as soon as possible, or if not, leave us a message and we'll get back to you. But anything I need, like in the future, we do builds, we do accessories, light, lift kits, drops, we do whatever you want.
Hell yeah.
See how it goes. We're gonna see before and after right now.
This is definitely going to be different.
Well, let's ask him before. Let's just go ask him. You want me to check it out real quick? Just to see before we start trimming. It's a taller tire, of course, but it's rubbing where I told you on that bolt.
Yeah.
You need to trim it. I don't want to start trimming and doing any kind of trimming before you be like, nah, I don't want it. I really don't make it hard. I think it is good.
Yeah.
And it's about an inch taller too, so we're gonna have to do some cutting, so y'all stay tuned for that. Alright, how long are you gonna take for the trimming?
Like 45 minutes.
Oh, man, yeah. That's my phone.
Good with it?
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna pull in the Porsche right now. We're doing the two fronts or 2 rears?
Front.
Front. Okay.
Yeah, bro, thank you.
Hey, it's Pete.
Yeah.
Puertas, Greg. Ese no puede salir.
Nah, I can't even get out this bad boy. Like,
God damn! Oh, stop your shit. Oh, stop the mother. Yeah. Easy. Fuck.
like smoky up in this bad boy. Golly. I never, in Los Losons standard.
Yeah.
Why are you out of breath?
Man, it's like a freaking mission to go get in that bad boy. Now let's take a ride.
Nomás que
Down
una...
for one and up for the rest.
Yeah, down, 1 down, 3 up.
Bro, how much are you for the tires?
That's what not to do.
Here comes this one. Let's see.
Everybody watching. Did I burn out?
This one makes me nervous. He's not done yet? I like to ride that one.
Well, every time you're coming to a stop and you like kind of freeze and you forget what to do, just always remember clutch in and then stop. Because if you try to stop with the clutch out, it's gonna come out. That's why it's directly here.
Now he thinks he's doing something.
Kick it. I know you're my real father. I want to race you to be king of California, even though we're in Texas.
One way to make it work.
Gotta do something, right? Alright, I guess make it work like that. Alright, like I said, we're gonna make it fit one way or another. So we just done ripped off the whole inner fender.
What's that?
What was that? And we did a inner fender delete. You think you have to bring out the saws on the back?
I think we'll be alright.
I think it'll be alright too. Sorry for the Porsche. Just knocked out the Challenger. We're finishing it up right now. And then we're about to put the two front tires on the Porsche.
No, es de un amigo.
¿La conocían, verdad?
Ya, es chino.
This is 416 Focus. Porque no le pensó nada, pero le dijiste, dale.
He loves that.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. What's up, bro? Nice to meet you.
I forgot to tell you that part.
Yeah, you should have said something.
What's up, bro? ¿Estás todo para arreglar el Challenger? What do you think?
Hey, bro, we'll take these. What we can do on a layaway? Like payment plan?
That's cool.
Hey, Ralph. You went over the credit limit.
I went.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Don't put me on blast
You're a
like
little short.
fooling around, bro. Chill,
Nah,
bro.
you good, you good.
You guys should buy tickets to my shows.
I almost went in bikes.
Burnouts in the rental at Freddy's shop.
Keep it down. Or you should just be like, we traded our cars for these 2 bikes.
Yeah, even trade.
What do you think?
Shit, look, me. The Batmobile.
What you wanted?
Hell yeah.
You feel like Batman now?
Hell yeah.
You can do a lot of burnouts in that one. A lot of burnouts. You put some duct tape on there. Yeah. Alright, we just got a board taken care of. Something different on there. They did too many burnouts yesterday at Freddy's. So we went ahead and put some mud tires, about 1 inch taller, made it fit. We had to do a little trimming. Other than that, we're good to go. What you got?
I was getting, before I brought it out here to Freddy's to pop the tire, I was getting a lot of mud on my shit because I live out in the dirt roads. And so I asked for some mud tires. They delivered ASAP.
Yeah.
Hooked it up. Formula Bean going off road.
Yes, sir. What you think about it?
Man, I'm excited. I came here with the Porsche was driving all wonky, and I just got some new tires, so I'm excited to drive it now.
Yeah. If y'all need anything else, y'all let us know. 281-900-4089.
Hey, you caught me moving the seat up.
No, but how many times I got to tell you when you drive my car, don't adjust my seat?
I haven't touched your seat.
Yeah.
Cuidado porque están como anda.
You need more room?
I'm gonna do it up there.
Don't go hit my damn dumpster. Oh shit. Again.
Sad, no, it's bad.
He's feeling like Batman now. Tell you we talking a lot of shit.
Y'all already know where we at. Elite Wheels and Tires, Houston, Texas, baby.
All right, that's a wrap. We got our boy Ralph Barbosa taken care of. If y'all interested in a setup like that, something different, y'all let us know. 281-900-4089. And don't forget to check out our social platforms, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Also, do not forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. And don't forget, y'all come get a wheel deal. And I'll see you on the next one.